Okay, students, come. Let's do a further example. Okay, let's look at this. Mr. Ken, total annual income for 2024. Annual income 52,770. He donated 300 to government approved charity. Donation, ingat, donation is entitled for tax relief atau another word rebate. So table below shows the tax reliefs yang dia dah buat. So individual, alright, life insurance. Nampak ayat ni, limited 7,000 means what? Maximum you can claim only 7,000. But unfortunately, Mr. Ken only paid 5,800. Okay, limited 3,000 for medical insurance, he only paid 1,007. And self-education fees, 4,000. So this is the amount. So all the limit actually tells me what? That's the maximum allowed to claim. You cannot go more than that. But Mr. Ken, all the values here are within the limit. So I don't have to worry. So let me start off with the first one. How do we do? Same process. Always find number one, chargeable income. First, chargeable income. So total annual income. Alright, minus off the relief. Nampak relief? 9,000, 5,800, 1,700, 4,000. Total them up, 52,770 minus total tax relief. This is the relief. Alright, so you dapat 32,270. Then you go and minus off the donation. Remember, minus off that, you get your chargeable income. Dah dapat chargeable income. What does that mean? Now I can calculate my income tax to be paid for Mr. Ken. So chargeable income dah ada. So to calculate the income tax, this is the table yang berfungsi. Because the value is inside the chargeable income range. So for the first two, 20,000, 150. For the balance, they put next 15,000, meaning maximum allowed is 15,000. But if ours is less than that, you just take the value and times with 3%. So how do I calculate, sir? This is what I do. So tax to be paid, the first 20,000, 150. 31,970 was the chargeable income, minus of 20,000, and I times with 3%. I get 359.10. So total them up. This is the tax to be paid by Mr. Ken. Total tax is here. I minus of 400. Huh? Why, sir? Why minus 400? Because his chargeable income is less and equal to 35,000. This is government's incentive. If your chargeable income is less or equal to 35,000, you get an extra rebate 400. So Mr. Ken akan senyum because his chargeable or total tax to be paid is 109.10. Hope you understand this, students.